Hello Guchies team and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this amazing product, two wonderful magic cleaner that I use to clean my oven. With these two products, all you need is just sprinkle it around those points where the oil is sticking to your oven and give it about 30 minutes. It will just absorb the whole oil, and when you scrub, it's not going to be very hard for you to get rid of. You can also use this for your bathroom, you can use it for your kitchen, you can use it for your cookwares. Plus, for your outdoor usage, it's really working like magic. Trust me. I'm going to be using these two wonderful products. You can also use this to scrub. It scrubs like really good for me. Oven, grill, and fryer cleaner. Very good for me. You can also get this product from Sam's Club if you're looking for where to get this. All you need to do, spray it on your oven and leave it for 30 minutes. Come back, it will work like magic. Guys, look at that. Let me show you how I turn my oven to a brand new oven. Stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, I'm working in this kitchen today. I'm going to be cleaning my oven. I've sprayed my oven cleaner. Let me show you. This is the one I'm using. This is so good. Like, it worked like magic. Just 30 minutes and everything was well cleaned. Beautiful. If you want to go for it, I bought this from Sam's Club. All you need to do is just spray it that way and it's going to get rid of all of this. See? Yeah, I sprayed it in here. All I need to do is to give it time. Like, it's working like magic, guys. So I'm going to be using this also. Scrub it very well until it is nice and clean. Stay tuned. Just go ahead and scrub. I like to be very intentional. I don't like seeing oil sticking anywhere in my oven. It makes me feel like my oven is very dirty. You know, like when you bake stuffs, like especially chicken or fish or turkey, the oil will be dripping. Maybe the pan is leaking or something. I really do not like seeing it. I try to clean as I go. So go ahead and wipe it down. All of those things are gone, and you see, this is good. I'm going to work, guys, so I decided to clean my home before I leave, so that when I come back from work, I won't have to bother myself about cleaning. It's brand new again. My oven is brand new again. I don't like to see all those debts, you know, like the oil sticking. I really don't like to see oil messing up my oven. This oven cleaner works like magic. So these are the racks. I've gone ahead to clean this. So what I did was to spray my rack and clean it first. I sprayed this on it and I left it for a couple of minutes. Just about 30 minutes. I don't have time. Like, I don't have time. I'm so sorry about the noise, guys. I'm really running because I'm going to work, like I said. And I'm still going to make some food before I leave. This one didn't go out. I'm going to get it out. I don't like to see this, like I said. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Is to get out all the oil. Are you like me? Let me know in the comment section. Trust me, that can mess up your oven if you don't clean it. Like as you go. I am one person that when I'm cooking, I'm cleaning as I go. I don't leave things littered here and there. Yeah. See how clean. Sometimes I have to put some, what is it called? Sometimes I put foil paper here, just so that the oil will be dripping on the foil paper. You can also do that. But so far, so good. My oven looks like a brand new. Yeah. I love it when I clean my area. This is what I do. And I do this, you know, behind the scene, but I don't want to bother you all with all of this. But today I decided to just show you guys. I like to clean my kitchen up before I start cooking. First thing, I must clean my environment. I do not like a dirty environment when I'm cooking. Yes, everything is clean. Even in my little corner, some of our friends call my house White House because of how I love my environment clean. How do you clean your oven? Do you want to share with me what you usually clean your oven with. I love to clean my oven. I just love to clean my kitchen area like on a regular because I cook almost every day. Every day. I cook every day and I don't cook small food. I have several products I use to clean my oven, but decided to use this one today just to show you guys. I've wiped all this side out. Yeah, because of the oil that splashes. So I always clean this. I know some of my friends that when they are cooking, everywhere is turned upside down. Are you like that? I like my area clean. Make sure you clean this like so. Yeah, those buttons also needs to be cleaned properly. Guys, I'm going to work. Yeah, I'm doing night shift today. Please, this is not a sponsored video. So I'm trying to clean and make sure I make food for my husband so that he can just take it from the fridge or freezer and get himself some food. This is something very simple and easy to do, especially if you make up your mind to do it. It is not a difficult thing at all. Sometimes when you leave it for your girls or your children, they will not do it exactly the way you really would like it to be. So I take my time when I want to do things like this. I wake up early, I get it done, I prep food, clean the environment before I leave. So this is what I do like all the time and decided that I want to share this with you. Guys, I'm running late and I'm going to cook before I leave for work also, so that my husband can have something, like I said. But yeah, this is it. We are done. We are done, guys. If this video has been helpful, please give this video a massive thumbs up and do share to your family, friends and loved ones. Look at that, guys. My oven is brand new. Give me a massive thumbs up. How many thumbs up are you going to give me? See how I turned that very dirty oven to a brand new. Give me a massive thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. That cleaner, that oven cleaner is a magic cleaner. Like, I love it. That was why I use it, because it's like quick. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share to your family, friends and loved ones. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao.